I took that loss like a blessing. I got it right back up and nested. I took that loss like a blessing. I swear to God, I ain't stressing. I took that loss like a blessing. Yeah, I took that loss like a blessing.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is the hair that I got from Unice. I installed it. I didn't put out no baby hairs. Well, I did. I just didn't put none down for this video. This is how long it is. About 20 inches. I really love it. I'm gonna go back to the beginning of the video and show you guys how the rest of it looks. So, see you guys later. Bye-bye. So, I'm just... Can you turn that shit down? You see me trying to fucking record a video. Damn!
I'm watching the video.
Turn on some damn headphones. Don't poke me. Since you always couldn't fucking record it the right way. So, hey YouTube, this is how you simply apply a wig on your head. First, I'm gonna plug up my blow dryer and my flat irons. I'm going to get my Got2b glue and I'm going to simply put some around my perimeter of my head so this can lay. And I'm just going to do this. And I'm going to turn on my blow dryer. And be patient with this, you guys. It takes about like 2 minutes. It takes about like 2 minutes. Since I don't have a brown cap, I'm just going to put some of my CoverGirl True Blend. And this is a powder, pressed powder. This is a brown color. And I'm just going to put it at the top of my cap. So... Again, I'm putting this at the top of my perimeter of my head. Just to cover up that black. So you won't see this at all. so. Just cover it up just like so. Then I'm gonna cut this part open. Just like so. And you're just gonna cut it. Again. So back to cutting, you're just gonna cut along. Okay. Let's cut right here too. Yes, sir. So then I'm just gonna grab my powder. Again, I'm gonna open it and do the same thing over again. This time I'm just gonna put it on top of that. So we're just gonna take my powder and just continue to put it at the top of your forehead. Excuse my ugly facial expressions. Just to cover it up, I'm just going to do it one more time. Okay, I think that's perfect. So then what I'm going to do is just grab my wig. And I put an elastic band on this. So I'm just going to do it like so. And when you put it on your head, it should go just like so. On top of your head, just like so. So. So then you're just gonna scoot it back. And you're just going to get your glue. I like to put it on like so. Oops. The same thing over again. Just going to put the glue along. Oops. Just like so. And you're just going to wrap it. Ponytail holder. It's easier when you do it like this, and then you're just going to grab it And press it just like so. And you're just gonna turn on your blow dry. And this is the finished look. Tell me what you guys think. Yes, this is the finished look. This is the finished look. Tell me what you guys think. Until next time, see you guys later. Bye. Well, not bye. The rest of the video I did my eyebrows and my lashes. So don't forget to watch that, you guys. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, see you guys later. Have a good one.